Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tip. Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make your TikTok account fully private, or just to make your account private. Now of course private means that you do not necessarily want anybody just to follow you unless they request a following, and of course that's understandable. Alright, so let's get straight into it guys. Now of course make sure you're connected to the internet. Once you're connected to the internet guys, we're just going to search for the TikTok application. As you can see here, we have TikTok. So what I'm going to do from here is just go ahead and launch the TikTok app. All right, so once you're on the TikTok app, simply go over to your profile. You can just go ahead and click on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen, which is the outline here. And of course, that's the last icon in the bottom right of the screen. So let's go ahead and select that. You should be taken to this screen here that shows your user picture if there's one, and of course your user handle and so on. You can always follow me. That's my user angle on on TikTok. So once you're here guys, let's go ahead, and this is a normal account. It was freshly created. So just go ahead. You can do this at any time. Select the three dots upper right. Once you select the three dots, next you're gonna go ahead guys, and you're gonna go down to privacy and safety option, which is the one with the icon of the keypad. Once you do that, you should notice here it gives you in terms of discoverability the option that says private account. Now of course it says with a private account, only users you approve can follow you and view your videos and likes. Your existing followers won't be affected. All right, so of course it would be good from the start to figure out what you want to do in terms of this. So what I'm going to do next guys is just toggle this on. Notice I've toggled it on, and of course it says this will take into effect starting from this point. All right guys, so I've basically enabled the private account. Is that easy? Meaning from now on you'll get notifications as to that you have gotten a new follower, and of course once you do that you would have to manually approve or reject those requests, and of course it's that dead simple. All right guys, so as you can see here, your account is now private. You'll know that your account is private also by this simple lock icon that was not here before, and it's right there beside your name. And of course guys, that's completes it. From now on you'll have to approve, meaning that somebody requests to be you to follow you, you'll have to get a notification and you'll have to approve, similarly to how it's done on Facebook if you have set your account to private. All right, and of course guys, at any time you can actually go back in. You can go back to privacy and safety and turn the feature off, and of course you just read the information here. But of course guys, make note that if you add it on for a while, it does make a few notes such as any pending requests will be approved, and of course you'll simply need to just read the information, and of course future followers will not need to wait until they're approved, as they'll be automatically approved. So what I'm going to do is just hit confirm. All right, so it has been changed back to normal, and of course if I go back right here, you'll notice that the lock icon is gone. All right guys, Ricardo Garner from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye guys.